What if I told you that one simple spoonful a day could quietly change your energy, your hunger, and even how your body feels over time? No fancy superfood, no expensive supplement, just something you've probably had sitting in your kitchen for years. Today, we're talking about peanut butter and what really happens if you eat it every single day. Peanut butter is one of those foods people either love or feel guilty about. Some folks see it as a healthy, protein-packed snack, while others worry it's too fatty or too calorie-heavy. And honestly, both sides have a point. Peanut butter is dense, powerful, and surprisingly complex for something so simple. In the US, peanut butter is everywhere. Sandwiches, smoothies, oatmeal, protein snacks, you name it. But eating it once in a while is very different from eating it daily. So the real question is, if peanut butter becomes part of your everyday routine, what does it do to your body over time? This video isn't about hype or extremes. We're breaking it down in a real, practical way. The good, the not so good, and the things no one really talks about. By the end, you'll know exactly whether daily peanut butter makes sense for you. Let's start with the first thing most people notice when they eat peanut butter regularly. They feel fuller for longer. Peanut butter has a powerful combo of healthy fats, protein, and a little bit of fiber. That combo slows digestion and keeps your stomach satisfied, so instead of getting hungry an hour later, you stay steady. This is why peanut butter works so well for breakfast or snacks. A tablespoon on toast, apple slices, or mixed into oatmeal can help reduce random cravings later in the day. Many people find they snack less overall when peanut butter is part of their routine. Next up is energy. Peanut butter doesn't give you a sugar rush like candy or pastries. Instead, it provides slow, steady fuel. The fats and protein help keep blood sugar more stable, which means fewer energy crashes. If you've ever felt shaky or tired between meals, this can be a big deal. Now let's talk about muscles and recovery. Peanut butter isn't a protein powder, but it still delivers a solid amount of plant-based protein. If you work out, walk a lot, or just live an active life, that protein helps your muscles repair and stay strong. Pairing peanut butter with something like a banana or whole grain bread makes it even more effective. Another benefit people don't expect is heart health. Peanut butter contains mostly unsaturated fats, the kind linked to better cholesterol levels when eaten in reasonable amounts. Over time, this can support healthier arteries and better circulation. It's one reason peanuts often show up in heart-friendly eating plans. Then there's micronutrients, which don't get enough attention. Peanut butter provides magnesium, vitamin E, potassium, and B vitamins. Magnesium supports muscles and nerves. Vitamin E helps protect your cells. These nutrients quietly support your body behind the scenes. Now let's get real about weight management, because this is where opinions clash. Peanut butter is calorie dense. That means a small amount packs a lot of calories. If you eat it mindlessly straight from the jar, weight gain is possible, but when eaten intentionally, it can actually help with weight control. Why? Because feeling satisfied matters. People who include healthy fats often feel more content after meals and are less likely to binge later. 1 or 2 tablespoons can go a long way. Portion control is key here. Let's talk about digestion. Peanut butter has fiber, but not a huge amount. For most people, daily peanut butter supports smooth digestion, but if you already struggle with bloating or sensitive digestion, too much can feel heavy. This varies person to person, so listening to your body matters. Now, here's something interesting. Peanut butter can support brain function. It contains healthy fats that help support brain cells. It also has niacin, a B vitamin linked to brain health. While it's not a magic brain booster, it definitely contributes to overall mental support. Many people also notice better mood stability. This isn't instant, but steady blood sugar and healthy fats can reduce mood swings caused by energy crashes. When your body is fueled consistently, your mind often follows. Let's not forget about convenience. Peanut butter is shelf-stable, affordable, and easy to add to almost anything. That makes it one of the most realistic daily habits you can stick to. Consistency matters more than perfection. But now we need to talk about the type of peanut butter, because this changes everything. Natural peanut butter, made from peanuts and maybe salt, is very different from heavily processed versions loaded with added sugar and oils. Daily consumption of sugary peanut butter can cancel out many benefits. Another thing to consider is sodium. Some brands add a lot of salt. If you already eat a salty diet, daily high-sodium peanut butter could push you over the edge. Choosing low-sodium or unsalted options gives you more control. Now let's address skin and hair because people ask about this a lot. Peanut butter contains healthy fats and vitamin E, both of which support skin health. Over time, some people notice better skin hydration and stronger hair. It's subtle, but it adds up. Daily peanut butter can also help with nighttime hunger. Eating it earlier in the day or as part of dinner can reduce late-night snacking. That's because fats digest slowly and keep you satisfied longer. But peanut butter isn't perfect for everyone. If you have a peanut allergy, this is obviously a no-go. Even mild sensitivities can cause inflammation or digestive discomfort. Alternatives like almond butter or sunflower seed butter can offer similar benefits. Another concern is overdoing it. Peanut butter is healthy, but it's still easy to eat too much. 3 or 4 tablespoons without realizing it can add hundreds of calories. This is where awareness matters more than restriction. Now let's talk about athletes and active people. For runners, gym goers, or people with physically demanding jobs, peanut butter can be a great calorie source. It helps fuel activity and supports recovery when paired with carbs and hydration. For kids, peanut butter can support growth and appetite, especially for picky eaters. It's calorie-dense, nutritious, and easy to eat. That's why it's often recommended in school lunches. One underrated benefit is blood sugar balance. Peanut butter slows how fast carbs are absorbed, so when eaten with bread, fruit, or oats, it reduces blood sugar spikes. This is helpful for people watching their energy levels. Let's also mention gut satisfaction, not just gut health. Peanut butter is comforting, it's familiar, and comfort matters when building sustainable eating habits. Foods you enjoy are easier to stick with long-term. Now we're building towards something important. You've seen how peanut butter affects hunger, energy, muscles, heart health, and mood, but there's one effect most people don't realize until weeks or months later. Here's the big reveal. Daily peanut butter can actually help regulate your appetite over time, not just make you full once, but help your body trust that food is available and steady. When your body gets consistent fats and protein, it stops sending panic hunger signals. This can reduce emotional eating and constant food thoughts. Many people report feeling calmer around food after making peanut butter a regular part of their routine. This isn't about willpower, it's about biology. Your body relaxes when it's nourished consistently, and that shift can change how you eat overall, without forcing restriction or extreme diets. That's the real power of peanut butter. Not the calories, not the macros, but the way it supports balance. So let's wrap this up. Eating peanut butter daily can help you feel fuller, more energized, and more satisfied. It supports muscles, heart health, brain function, and steady blood sugar. But portion size and ingredient quality matter more than anything. If you choose natural peanut butter and keep it to 1 or 2 tablespoons, it can be a simple, enjoyable habit that fits into real life. No extremes, no guilt. Now I want to hear from you. Do you eat peanut butter every day, or are you just thinking about it? And how do you usually eat it? Toast, smoothies, straight from the spoon? Drop your answer in the comments. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe for more simple health breakdowns, and share this with someone who loves peanut butter as much as you do.